What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. In the last video, we discussed about gold, euro USD, GBP USD, and DXY. However, on gold, we had seen a very crazy rally on the upside, of course, due to the war situation. But GBP USD, euro USD, DXY pretty much were consolidating this entire week. So this week, this coming week could be very interesting to watch in terms of price action. However, let's quickly dive into the analysis. So monthly time frame on gold, right here we can clearly see we have broken this previous swing high, previous structure, and after that we have been consolidating at the highs, right? We've grabbed a lot of liquidity, and now let's quickly dive on a smaller time frame to understand what is happening. So recently we took this high liquidity from the previous swing points right here and here. After that, right here we have broken structure once and twice, and then again we have broken the structure on the higher side, officially making it bullish again. So right here, let's drop to daily time frame and see what's happening. So this bullish rally right here could potentially continue up till this daily fair value gap fill price to 2022, the high of the supply zone right here. So I think this week we could potentially continue bullish and then eventually turn bearish, or at least form a bearish price action for the next week. So my bias is very simple. I would like to wait for 2006, 2002 odd levels. This zone basically is where I think price action could potentially turn bearish. If it does not, make sure you're connected with me on Telegram and Twitter, because I'll be posting all the day-to-day updates over there. So after that, I'm expecting we could continue back into this demand zone right here and then continue higher. So this is pretty much my anticipation on gold. Now let's quickly check euro USD. So euro USD, if I open the monthly chart, clearly we are inside this bullish structure wherein we are making lower highs and lower lows. Right here, if I open this, we have this imbalance right here on a monthly time frame. Recently, we've broken this structure and monthly fair value gap right down here. Let's drop to weekly time frame and see what's happening. So based off a weekly time frame, again, it's a pretty similar structure. We have just broken structure, and right now we look ready for a pullback. Let's drop to daily time frame and see some more details. So right here is where what I expect. Recently, what has happened is we have grabbed this. We have had a previous break of structure right here. After that, we tried to attempt a higher high, but apparently looks like we failed. After that, we have been consolidating pretty much for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 days right here. And then now what I feel is it's a very high probability we would continue higher, tap into this daily supply right here, which also happens to be monthly odd block open price and also happens to be the monthly fair value gap also. So this makes it a very high probability zone for me from where price could potentially reverse back down into this order block or into this fair value gap down below on a monthly time frame. So overall, this week could be bullish to bearish on euro USD as well. Let's quickly check GBP USD. So again, monthly time frame, present structure is clearly lower highs, lower lows. Our most recent break of structure was on the downside. We have tapped into this imbalance in supply zone right here. Let's drop to a weekly time frame. Recently, we just broke this structure. This is our weekly demand zone right here. And let's drop now on a daily time frame. So yeah, right here, this was our weekly demand, also happens to be the daily order block. So what I'm expecting is, as of now, we have partially turned bullish right here but however, it doesn't look like we will sustain. So my bias again is pretty much the same on GBP USD. We could continue higher, maybe fill this fair value gap on a daily time frame, and then continue lower. If not this, then I think potentially uh, some just hunt more liquidity from this imbalance right here. So overall, I would just be looking for shorts only, because overall the structure still needs to continue lower on GBP USD as well, Euro USD as well. And gold is at a very sweet spot once it reaches about 2000 odd levels. So I would be preparing myself for a reversal. And now let's finally check DXY. So DXY, I've discussed previously that we will breach this 105 high, 106 high, and after that we have broken structure. We have again given a higher high, and we did not close below this, which is a very good thing. We just grabbed sell side liquidity, and now I'm expecting, since this is consolidating, I'm expecting we could again grab some more liquidity and continue higher. So make sure you guys are connected with me on Telegram and Twitter for further daily updates. And if you found the video helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.